Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a text overlay on CapCut PC easily. So if you want a black text like overlaying your video, select the white background. If you want like colors and like a white text, you have to select the black background. So I'm just going to select the black background for mine. You can also choose a transparent one, but I won't be able to show you how you can apply it. So select it, go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to not change the text, but to change the text you're just going to select the text here and you can just change it. But I'm just going to go with default text for just this example. Go to system, go to font and select any font you want. I downloaded mine, so I'm just going to use this one, and you can also change the color here if you'd like. I'm just going to choose this like purple one, and then you can also add in an animation. For instance, this wavy one, where is it? This wave one. And then I'm also going to select both, right click and then create compound clip, and now this is going to be an overlay. You can then export that and upload this as just a text overlay. And to apply it to your videos, I'm just going to select this video, select your overlay, go to blend mode and choose screen or brighten. I normally just choose brighten for mine, and you can also add in an animation on your text here, like so. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!